Hey guys, as you can see, for the first time in our YouTube channel, I'm unboxing an Apple product, which is not mine. This is my friend Mauli. I would like to thank him in this video. Because of him, today I'm going to unbox this mobile in our YouTube channel, Sumanth Latest Tech. So, do like, share, and subscribe to Sumanth Latest Tech and watch the video till the end. So, this is iPhone 12, which is brought by Flipkart, and which is of 56,000 rupees with Tada percent all with 48,000 that purchased. So let's unbox this iPhone 12. This is a 64 GB model. As you can see, all the details present over here. So the box is very small, as you can see, because they don't provide any charger brick in the box. So it's a environmental pollution, so they would like to reduce that. So watch the video till the end. So let's open the cover first. Yeah, as you can see the mobile. Wow, this looks stunning, man. Wow. 5.4-inch Full HD HDR10 Retina display. Looks stunning, which is of white color. As you can see the mobile, which looks so good. In the box we are getting only the cable, man. We are getting only the cable here, as you can see. Type-C to lightning cable we are getting. That's it. And we are getting some, you can see the SIM ejector pin we are getting. Here you can see the Apple sticker we are getting. And it is also quick start and warranty and all. That's it, we are not getting anything in the box. Not even the charger brick. You have to buy separately from Apple Store or from Flipkart or Amazon. Yeah, this is the iPhone 12. White color. It looks great, man. As you can see, these are the contents given in the box on Apple. As you can see, I want to tell us of the mobile. iPhone 12. This is a 64 GB model, and there is no expandable memory and one SIM slot. And another is normal SIM support, nano SIM support, and cannot expand the memory with anything. And here you can see it comes with lightning cable. Comes with stereo speakers with front 12MP and back 12MP and ultra wide also 12MP camera. The 12MP cameras you are getting. You can see the single flash here, and here we can see volume up and down here. This is the power button, and this is the alert slider, as you can see, ring, mute and vibrate. And here you can see all the mics and the speaker. Here you can see the single SIM support, and the one is eSIM support, which is fully supported, and this is 5G. The first time I unboxing an iPhone. It's a very new process for me also. The most important thing I would like to tell you, completely depend on all the pins or the SID. As you can see the notch out here. Welcome to iPhone. Yeah, this is the home screen of the iPhone 12, as you can see. Looks so good. The control panel. Now it looks so neat and decent. You can library, Dialer, Safari, and I have to download from App Store. All of you know that. And this is the main settings. As you can see, there are many options as you can see available here. Each and every option takes a lot of time to explain. So that's why I'm showing you in detail, brief. As you can see, each and every setting you can control from here with full data privacy and security. As you can see, software updates from time to time. The optimization is very good in iOS compared to Android. It looks very smooth and neat and clean with no ads. I'm giving the camera samples at the end of the video. You can watch it from there. The camera looks stunning, man. As you can see, the camera footage looks like this. This is portrait, this is panorama, this is slow-mo. Adjust the exposure also from here. Time lapse. Slow-mo up to you can record 50, 120, 240 fps as you can see. And video we can record up to 4K, 60 fps as you can see. Photo samples I am giving in the end of the video. You can watch it from there. Comes with 12MP dual 12MP cameras on back side and front 12MP camera. It's a flagship level camera. You will never disappoint with any of the iPhone cameras as you can see. This is one sample I have taken. It looks very good, very good. And one more thing I am going to tell you is on your Apple devices, mostly the Apple Watch and the Apple charger is of lightning cable, and so it supports only MagSafe charger. So you need to use all the Apple products only for this. The AirPods also, you need to buy all of them separately. And this processor, I need to tell again, this is very powerful and flagship processor. Any game runs very smoothly in here. BGMI, Call of Duty, any graphics also it loads very smoothly as you can see. As you can see, there is a software update of iOS 15.0.1 update, which is of 3.12 GB, which means lots of new features and functions enhancements done on the iPhone. As you can see, updates will come time to time. It is very good and fast. Optimization is also very good. And you can see many of the settings you can see here. Everything you can control from here. Now let's see the voice assistant of Apple, which is Siri. Hey Siri, what is the weather now?
It appears to be foggy right now with a temperature of 27 degrees.
Hey Siri, will it rain today?
It's currently foggy and 27 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies starting in the morning and thunderstorms tonight with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Today's high will be 32 degrees and the low will be 27.
As you can see, the stereo voice is very loud and very clear. That is very good. Hey Siri, today IPL match.
RR faces MI in the IPL at 7:30 p.m.
Yeah guys, as you can see, the results are very accurate and very neatly displayed over here. Hey Siri, elaborate.
Please repeat what you said.
Tell me about Google Assistant.
Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence-powered virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smart home devices. Do you want me to keep?
As you can see, everything looks neat and very similar to Google Assistant. It's very competitive. Here you can see the App Store. From here you can download everything: podcast, Apple TV, Apple Health, everything as you can see. wallet option is also there now. As you can see, wallet, the FaceTime. You can see. Here we have the iTunes also, the Apple Store, which requires a sign in. Here you can see all the app library over here. We don't have any Google Maps here, we have the Apple Maps here also. As you can see, now let's activate Apple Music. No need to explain about it. Unboxing of iPhone 12. You can see the mobile looks very good, very stylish and very simple to use. Hold in hand. And feel is very good, as you can see. Good cameras, good battery, good performance, good software experience you are getting in the mobile. Very well optimized software experience you are getting on Apple. As you can see, everything is on perfect because it is the flagship mobile, so you are getting each and every feature. So that I need not to explain about the NFC, all features, everything will be available. This is a flagship processor we are getting, 14 binary chip we are getting. This enables PUBG in 90 FPS. Ultra HD graphics also are being supported in this mobile. And because now I am not showing in the App Store, because this is not my mobile. So, as you can see, the overlook of the iPhone 12. It supports the Y1 L1 support also, so you can play Netflix and find videos in HDR with HDR playback. As you can see, not in HD, HDR we are going to play. It supports HDR camera also. Very good feature. And it comes with Dolby audio also. Dolby Vision. Each and every feature is tick mark in this mobile. No need to complain anything. So links are in the description. You can go and check out from there. And thank you so much to Mauli for giving me this opportunity to unbox this mobile. So thank you so much, and thank you guys. If you like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sumanth. Meet you in my next YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching and support me.